Hello guys, and welcome back to yet another video. I'm trying to pump out some videos for you guys. I just took my Christmas holiday, having a great time, and I promise I'll get back to making my regular videos. But for now, I just want to take a look back on 2018 and what it taught me as an investor. Now, 2018 has been the most exciting year so far, and I've gone through my first crashes. So my stock market portfolio has crashed. It's down quite a bit more than the S&P 500. I'm guessing 25-30%, well 25, and my Bitcoin has obviously crashed. So I went through my first crashes. I mean, I knew they were going to happen at some point, and I'm really excited they did. And what did I learn from them? Well, the first thing I look back on, and that I should have done not just in hindsight but as a rational investor, is say, look, my investments have gone up an almost unhealthy amount. You know, the stock market I think went up about 20% a year. My portfolio did maybe 30% a year. I've had some crazy multi-baggers, and I made a lot of money. And I should have said, I've had a great run, and maybe I should take some off the table. Just take some profits and put them in cash or something else. And right now I don't really have anything else to invest in, so I should have just put it in cash and said I'll try and keep it here, and if the market crashes, which it should at this point, I'll try and get back in then, or just a correction for that matter. Now with Bitcoin, I did so. I took my initial investments and sold it at the all-time high. So I sort of said, okay, look, I can't lose any money now. I took my initial money, I'm out. So from now it's all profit. I would never do that for the stock market. Stock market is way safer and a lot more stable, but I should have taken at least a little bit of profits. The second one would be that it's hard to not become cocky and naive when you invest in all the right growth tech stocks, which I did. And I never claimed to be a genius, but I hit a lot of multi-baggers. And I never really considered putting the money in safe stocks, defensive stocks, or funds, or anything that would do better in a crash, or at least go down less. And so a strategy I've employed now, I mean, better late than never, and a strategy that I will do moving forward, is whenever I have a multi-bagger, so a stock that just goes on a rampage, like Amazon, Activision Blizzard, I've had a couple of others, Square and so on, take some profits, maybe 20% of your profits, and have a go-to dividend stock, like 3% dividend, 4% dividend, like a defensive one, maybe a bank, something like this, and just put the profits from the risky growth stocks into a boring dividend stocks. For me, this is mostly D&B, Lockheed Martin, Waste Management, JPMorgan, maybe Boeing. So have sort of a safe haven where you can put the money, so that whenever you hit good on a company, you might just have gotten lucky. Take a little bit of that luck and put it away, so you don't risk losing it all. And over the long run, there is a good reason why dividend has actually paid more money than appreciation. And that's because when you invest in these multi-baggers, they're going to go up 200%, then you're going to have loads of money in this stock, and then it's going to go down 50%, and you're going to lose so much because, you know, your holding became too big. And a lot of my losses this year came from one holding that I'm going to buy more of. I'm going to add to this position, but it was my largest holding, I believe, at like $8,000-9,000, and it went down 55% so far. So a lot of my losses came from a couple of stocks, and one of my defensive stocks and a couple of the safe havens have really panned out well. They've really held up, and they've shown, you know, why they are defensive stocks and why they are safer than the rest. So let me guys know what you think. I'm not going to talk about the crash at all. I've already given you my advice. There's only two things to do in a crash, and if you're not doing those, you're the idiot in the room. Smart money is stay calm and buy more stocks at great prices. So see you guys in my next couple of videos. Any questions, drop it in the comments. I'll answer. Give me your worst and best, and I'll take it. Okay, see you guys.